We're delighted to hold this first Working for Longer conference at University Hospitals Derby and Burton Trust. Got a great day today full of guest speakers and people from across the Trust talking about multidisciplinary areas of support for staff, from a mental health perspective right through to musculoskeletal support and across a whole other number of disciplines as well.
It's really important that everybody knows about the Access to Work mental health support service and what we have to offer. Events like this really showcase what's on offer to help everybody. There is a service out there.
So I'm going to encourage you to attend the Working for Longer conference. This is all the information that I've picked up today to be able to help my staff.
I'm quite interested in mental health, so I definitely feel that events like this will support my staff.
Got another event on the 25th of September across the Burton Queen site. I hope you can join us for that event on that day as well.